Investigation into the unnatural death of Raveena Rodrigues gathered momentum after the Vasco police registered an FIR on Friday against the 3 doctors and others allegedly responsible for Raveena's death. The FIR has been lodged under Section 304 for culpable homicide, Section 468 for forging the documents, Section 471 for using forged documents and Section 201 for destruction of evidence. The medical report in the case has also issued administrative instructions to the Goa Medical College and Hospital over the conduct of the doctors practicing there.
Even though justice was delayed, but nonetheless is being delivered to the family of Raveena Rodrigues, who had died under mysterious circumstances at Goa Medical College and Hospital July last year. Raveena Rodrigues was checked by Dr. Shantaram Surme and admitted in Pai Nursing Home, Chikali for appendicitis on July 2, 2010. She was discharged from the nursing home on 5th of July, but subsequently readmitted to the same nursing home on July 9th with a swollen stomach. The case was referred to Goa Medical College and Hospital, where a second operation was performed on the 10th of July. Following the operation, Raveena died under mysterious circumstances on the 29th of July 2010. Shaken by her sudden death, Raveena's sister Ravika lodged a police complaint over the issue on 2nd of August 2010, and the police referred the case to the medical board for medical negligence. The report of the medical board was delayed, prompting Raveena's family to approach the Vasco JMFC court over sloppy investigation. On November 11, 2011, the court ordered for a detailed report by the police about the case, and the police received the medical board report on November 25th.
तितले खुशाल ना या रिपोर्टार कित्याक जी एलिगेशन्स आहली फॅमिलीची ती नॉट जस्ट ऑन 3 डॉक्टर्स, देर आर मोर, तितून आनीकूय डॉक्टर्स आहात आणि खुद जीएमसीची एलिगेशन जीएमसीचेरूय आसात, पण ते कवर अप ना त्या रिपोर्टान. नेग्लिजन्स जे थोडे आहात ते डॉक्युमेंटेड आहात खुद जीएमसीच्या डॉक्युमेंटार, आणि हो इश्यू आमी तेमच्या फुड्यान व्हरतली, पोतुली कमिटी बसची पडटली आणि त्या मॅटरान चोवपाक पडटले. वो आमचो प्रेशराक लागून, आमचे हार्ड वर्काक लागून आमी हो रिपोर्ट मेळ्ळा. हातून कोणाच्याच खंयच्याच एनजीओचो हेल्प ना, खंयच्याच मिनिस्टराच्या हेल्प ना.
Medical report says that the case is fit for initiating criminal investigations against Dr. Shantaram Surme and Dr. S.R. Pai for gross negligence leading to the death of Raveena Rodrigues. There is an indication of the documents having been fabricated, and the role of Dr. Dilip Amonkar may get further exposed during detailed investigations. Dr. Surme has admitted to private practice and charging fees for the same. Apart from the disciplinary action, Income Tax Department could move to check if he had disclosed his income. Dr. Dilip Amonkar has admitted to having carried out the operation in a private hospital, Pai Nursing Home, on humanitarian ground, which could not be established in this case. The inquiry also suggested some of the administrative instructions to be issued by the GMC to the doctors as well as staff after such a case was reported. Administrative instructions may be issued by GMC, binding the consultants on duty and residents doctors that emergency cases should be taken up for surgery only after the approval of the consultant on duty. Any complicated cases needing active intervention should be decided only after personal examination by the consultant on duty. The consultant must be available on call within the prescribed response time. Communication skills and behavior practices, workshops for the doctors and staff must be organized at frequent intervals. The mysterious death of Raveena Rodrigues has exposed the flaws in services provided at the Goa Medical College and Hospital and underlined the need for an improvement in staffing and quality of service at the hospital. Deputy Superintendent of Police Mahesh Kankar gave more information about the future course of investigation by Vasco Police.
In that report, the medical board has indicted Dr. Surme, Dr. Pai and Dr. Amonkar, and they have suggested criminal action against these doctors and others besides disciplinary action from the department, they being two of them being government doctors.